What I would say to brand owners out there is a lot of the brands I speak to, they don't have a strong brand strategy. They haven't documented their brand positioning, their brand tone, their brand guidelines, their brand objectives. And it's more important than ever now because of the AI and data out there is really pushing us as brand owners to be much more specific and focused on our USPs and crafting that brand. And if you have that intelligence, it's really can help. You can help use that in a customized way for every kind of activity that you do. So I would encourage every brand here, if you don't have brand guidelines, brand positioning, brand strategy, formulate that, and you can be guided along the way by using certain prompts to really get that down on paper. And I think it's a critical area to focus on. And we do that with our clients, and we're using that in our AI technology, and it's making a massive difference on the customized strategies that you can execute on. We've got an awesome list of speakers here. We also have Mike Frekey from IGPPC.
Probably going to sound a little bit like a broken record on this, but use as many data points as you possibly can, with SQP coming to the API, with the merging of the Amazon Marketing Cloud coming to actually being biddable within your advertising campaigns, and with product opportunity for actually now being on the vendor side as well under a different name. It's all the same data. Just understand that there's always more being added, and don't rest on the laurels of data points that you had yesterday if there's new things being made available today.
And then we have Dylan coming in from Birmingham with Omirank.
I got asked about this question last year. I answered like system optimization. But for this year, I would say it will be try to run a crowdsource campaign to improve the cash flow of your current state by using crowdfunding or using TikTok to help you increase the overall business, because otherwise you're always trying to invest in inventory, and then eventually you just find yourself you're not able to take a lot of profit from it. And to escape that situation, we really have to bootstrap the business by using crowdsourcing.
Yeah, very cool. I think that's a good strategy